Building a 100K affiliate marketing business is achievable with the right strategies and consistent effort. Choose a lucrative niche. Focus on high-demand niches like finance, health, or technology. Partner with programs offering high commissions or recurring income. A profitable niche ensures you're targeting the right audience. Promote high-ticket products that accelerate revenue growth. Choose products paying $500+ per sale. Fewer sales with higher value products help you scale faster. Use paid advertising to drive traffic quickly when done right. Test small budgets and optimize campaigns for better ROI. Build a high-converting website or funnel. Design a user-friendly site showcasing your affiliate products. Leverage content marketing to attract organic traffic and build trust. Engaging content keeps your audience returning and converting. Harness the power of email marketing to nurture leads. Maximize social media potential to connect and grow your audience. Post consistently and engage authentically. Collaborate with influencers to reach targeted audiences faster. Leverage their audience to drive traffic and conversions. Track and optimize your efforts using analytics tools. Focus on campaigns with the best performance for consistent improvement. Stay consistent and adaptable for long-term success. Dedicate time weekly to creating content and engaging. Reaching 100K in affiliate marketing requires focus, persistence, and strategic action. Take the first step today and start scaling.